I'm a poultry farmer.
Okay.
And I've done this poultry for 22 years.
Do you like it?
Oh, yes, I love it.
Oh, good, good.
At times, it's frustration.
Sneaking up to like work and then will peck you. Hey, peck me, all right? In Portugal, don't peck me. All right. I'm asking him, say, you know, yeah, or feed you two times a day, right? And these are mature. Why are mature to sell? They're overly mature, so they're more than ready to be sold. Yes. So these, remember the one that we just left for, were 9 weeks old. So these are 6. They're about to peck me. I'm scared. So yeah, Pacho, let me catch me more about the chicken. Okay, catch me. Tell me exactly, you know what. Anything you want to tell me about these? And you know, when it's ready to sell now, do you get orders from customers? Do you have customers already, or you take it on the street? You know. And you know, we are ready. One more. You know, I'm for more customers. I'm more from you know, to come and buy it. And I'll interview you from behind the scenes. Yes. So back to my channel. How you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope everything is going well with you and your loved one. Or today, I hope that Bibia you're okay. Thank you so much, Akwaba. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today's topic is about poultry farm. My auntie has a poultry farm business on her residence, and she's been doing it for quite some time, and I just want to cover her day-to-day activity, how she go about, you know, taking care of this poultry farm, and how she started, and you know, just let's talk and find out more about, you know, the poultry farm business on a small scale, but this is on her residence, so I would say it's on a small to medium scale, right? So I want to invite my aunt right here. Auntie Kua, please come on the screen. Come, hey, Vodka Kua. This is my lovely Auntie Kua. So, anyway, so Auntie Kua, how long have you been doing poultry farm, and what got you interested in doing poultry farm?
I've done the poultry for about 22 years ago. We bought this place. The place was just lying down, and somebody suggested that, okay, my husband's cousin, was it cousin or niece, request to do the poultry here. So after he did it, and it's no more doing it, we also showed interest doing it. Since then, we have done it. From since then up to now, we are still doing it.
So originally, your husband's niece wanted to use the land to do poultry farm. Okay, she was using it, and then afterwards she stopped doing it, and you became interested in the business. Okay, so with her, you learned a lot from her to continue, or she stays to help us. Okay, okay. And so since then, you've just been going. How has it been? What were some of the challenges and some of the, you know, good experiences that you've had?
The portrait is nice that when you do it, you have your own time taking care of your children, going up and down. You are not under anybody. You have your own small company. But the challenge is the feeding and the finance. At times it's not easy. You'll be there, and even getting feed for them, you even get it. And most of the time, your children even hasn't eaten. You are thinking about how to feed the children the best. Okay. So it has been a good business, but the challenge in it also is not easy.
Okay. So where do you get your feed from? Is it local, or is it sent from does it come from outside of Ghana?
Okay, let's take it. The maize we bought. We buy the maize in Ghana.
Okay.
The concentrate is a foreign. The soya is a foreign. Normally we get local soya, but it's not often.
Okay.
You go, you won't get it. So
okay.
You buy the,
so it's like soybean.
Yes.
Soy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Soybean. And you buy everything. Almost everything is here, but some are foreign, some are local.
Okay. Okay, so you don't order it from outside. Although it comes from outside, you can buy it from right here in Ghana.
You prepare your food.
Oh, okay.
You go to the food mill and you buy the ingredients, then you mix it for you.
Okay. So do you use any steroids or like any chemicals to raise your chickens and all that?
Oh, no, not really.
So all of that is organic and natural?
Yes,
okay.
The maize.
Okay.
And the medicine we used to, even the first day, you give them this thing.
We can always
glucose. Yes, the first day when they come.
Okay.
So we used to buy foreign, we used to buy local, and you give them glucose first day.
Okay.
Second day you give them antibiotics with vitamins.
Okay.
For about 5 days. After that, you give them plain water.
Okay.
And you give them vitamins. You buy the vaccine.
Okay.
You give them.
Also, you give them vaccination.
Yes. Vaccination. We have first Newcastle.
Okay.
We have Gombolo.
Okay.
We have second Newcastle. When they are broilers, you normally use the 3 because the broilers doesn't keep long.
Yeah.
But the layers, after you have used first Newcastle, second Newcastle, and third Newcastle, you have to give them first fowl pods. Then the first fowl pot is 8 weeks.
8 weeks.
Yes, and the 12 weeks second fowl pot, and the 16 weeks you give them the another vaccination. Yes, another vaccination.
So with the vaccine, is it in terms of shot to each chicken, or you put it in the feed?
No. The vaccine we put it in the water.
In the water. Okay.
For some 2 hours. After 2 hours, you draw it.
Okay. Okay. What else? So can you go show us around to your farm and tell us how long it takes, before it's time to sell and all of that stuff?
Okay.
Yeah. Right now, where she has like multiple different sections of these, there's different types of chickens, right? So these are the broilers. Broilers. And what is the special characteristics
this
of
one? When you come, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks. At worst it's 9 weeks, 10 weeks, then you sell them.
Okay. So it comes like small chicks.
Small,
day old.
Yes.
And then it takes about 6 to 8 weeks before it matures.
Yes.
Okay. And then after that you can sell. Okay. So these are the broilers are the softer chicken. All right. So you do have hard chicken, that some people prefer and some people prefer the broilers. So these are the broilers. So these right now are 6 to 8 weeks now.
No, 5 weeks.
5 weeks. Yeah, so in about 2 more weeks it will be mature enough to start selling.
Yes.
Wow. How many do you lose any of the chicken? Like okay,
you lose.
Like within that 6 to 8 weeks, how many chickens do you lose? Or
yesterday, for instance, was it 3 days ago? Because the water was hot. I went out. When I came, the water wasn't sufficient for them, so I lose about 7.
About 7. Wow, that's a lot.
Yes.
In one day.
Yes.
Wow.
And yesterday, I lose 1. This morning to have lose 1. At times you lose even more than that.
Wow.
Especially when it comes to broilers, it's not easy.
We're going to the next section, and we just left the broiler section. So now let's come on. Let's see. So Auntie Kwa, what are these right here? The medicine, vitamins and stuff?
Yes, vitamin, antibiotics, dewormer.
Oh, so these are the dewormer vitamins, antibiotics. These are, all it's medications that prevent the chickens from developing any types of disease and sicknesses, and
And before we sell, we draw water, we give them plain water. just to drain the medicine out from them.
You do what?
We give them plain water to take away when we are about to sell.
Okay.
We give them plain water
to wash out the medicine.
The medicine.
So there's a wash out period that you give the chickens plain, you know, a lot of water to wash the medicine out of their system, you know. So how long is the wash out period? Like
1 week.
1 week of wash out period to get all the medication out of the system.
So that the meat will taste good.
Whoa. Okay. So now, what is this section?
This is the layers.
These are the layers. Yes.
Now they are in 9 weeks.
Okay.
9 weeks.
So these are the ones that lays the chicken. I mean, not the chicken, the eggs. Right. So, how many weeks from day 1 to like when the chicken becomes mature?
16 weeks.
16 weeks.
to 20 weeks.
16 to 20 weeks from day 1. So these are the layers, and you get eggs from them. How many crates of eggs, like, do you say you get a day?
This is 600 birds. So
this section is 600 birds in here.
Yes. No, the two bags.
The two. Okay.
300. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 crates.
16 crates a day.
A day.
Wow, that's a lot of crates.
16, depends.
These are the layers, and the layers are about 9 weeks old. So from day 1 to 9 weeks, this is 9 weeks, and it's 16 weeks. It's
16
mature.
to 20
16 to 20. So how long do you have them lay eggs before you kill them? Before you sell them.
Okay, they can lay about 1.5 years.
Oh, 1.5 years.
Depends on the breed.
Okay.
It depends on the breed.
Okay.
And if you don't have any challenges, you can lay about 1.5 years to 2 years.
To 2 years.
Yes.
Okay. And then they stop laying, or you just decide
the laying will come down. The production will come down.
Okay. Okay.
The ones that will come can't feed. Can't buy their feed, then you have to sell them.
Don't. Hey,
hey,
please. Hey, Jesus. All right. So, yeah. So these are the layers right here. You called it, mommy.
And this is the same.
So it's about 300 chickens, about 600 altogether.
Yes.
So 300 here and about 300 here. Yeah. So the layers lay for about 1.5 to 2 years, and then after that she can decide to sell it. You know, because they stop laying, they don't lay.
They don't stop, but the production comes down.
Okay. Yeah. So never stop laying. Just like humans, when you get older, you know, your eggs decrease, and you don't have that many eggs left. So yeah. Wow, they can fly. Whoa. Wow, mommy, check it out. Wow, mommy, this is so interesting. So when it's why then when they wow, they're happy. Look at the chickens.
It means,
you know, free range. These are free range chickens. Yeah, they're not, you know, cooked up on, you know, like barbed wire or anything. This is free range. Look at the queen right there. Oh wow. Wow, let's these are like the chicks, day 1.
Now they are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They are 5 days.
So these chicks are 5 days. You know, this is the 5 days old chicks right here. And these become, are these going to turn into layers, broilers, or what? Broilers. These are the broilers. So there's 5 days old right now. Baba, could this see me?
One floor. This is when you buy them. They call it magic feed.
Magic feed.
You give them for about a week.
Okay. So these are the magic feed right here. So you give it to them. It looks like it's big grains for the.
This one is solid.
Okay. The chicken feed. Oh, look at the chick. So what's my mother? Oh, yeah, I'm sure. So, my mother.
Hey, so put your man in Kumako.
I could tell you this.
So
here. See? Wow. The chicken right here. Oh. Yeah, so this is day 5. Day 5 chick right now. So do you have to do this every day?
Yes, really.
So it's not an easy job. This is a really tough.
But after some time, I change them. I change the feeders.
Okay.
When they grow,
Okay.
I give them big and then.
Oh, okay. So that's where the food goes. Okay. And this is the water. So they drink the water from here. So what is this part for?
When you bring them, you have to put sticks.
Oh, as hot as it is in Ghana. So this is heat right here. It's a pot of like coal, charcoal, pots, and it's hot. So she said when you bring them new, like when it's new or day 1, you have to have heat. But it's already so hot in Ghana. Look at me. I'm sweating profusely. So they need more heat. Even though it's already hot, they need more heat even though Ghana is so hot.
Yes.
Wow.
Because you have to keep them like when they are in their mother's armpits. Chickens, they normally get heat from their parents.
Oh, okay. So, you know, like normally, like house chickens, the mother have to lay on it to incubate, you know, the chicken. But since that process is not happening, that action, you know, doesn't take place. So now you need the heat to like warm the chicken up as if the mother is, you know, what is the English term? You know, you know, to keep it warm and toasty, you know, like incubation type of thing. Wow, look how much there is. They now come in the one now. I know behind you in this section. I know behind him in this section or dog. These are not hungry. These over here, they are? So how come they're not rushing to the food like these greedy ones here? These are the greedy ones.
I'm taking the rubber. It's a brooding when they come first. Oh, you can't When they come first day, you cover them with rubber.
To keep it warm.
Yes, then you put the pot to keep them warm.
Wow.
Yes.
So the light has to be that, warm in here. Wow.
So now the days are going, so we are taking off the rubber so that the fresh air will come in.
Okay.
Yeah. Because heat is too much. And that is too much. So that's it.
Okay.
I'm a poultry farmer.
Okay.
And I've done this poultry for 22 years.
Do you like it?
Oh yes, I love it.
Oh, good.
At times it's frustration when the finances and the challenges start coming, and you don't need fun, you don't need money to buy feed for them. It makes you a little bit uneasy.
Okay.
By God's grace, gradually. And when it's ready to sell, you smile.
Yes, go for your hard work.
Yes, at times when the market comes.
The reward for your hard work. Yeah, especially on Christmas. So do you, at which month or which season do you sell more chickens?
December.
Yes. Like for Christmas season.
Yes.
You sell a lot of chicken. You get a lot of requests.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I dress. And the way I do my chicken, it tastes good. Because before I will sell, I will make sure I give them plain water, taking out every impurities and the chemicals out of them.
And then, what you mean by chemicals is the medication.
The medication, yes, the medication, and it tastes good because my broilers it's not soft the way other ones you eat and it's chafu. But my broilers, if you know how to prepare soup very well, you can use broiler. After you steam, you put your tomatoes and the gardeners, you just take it out from the soup. After the soup is finished, cook, you just put it inside and you just load the fire. And you use it for your fufu. You love it.
Fufu, eh?
Yes.
So wow.
Get your chicken soup.
Yes. So do you yourself get sick of eating chicken, or what is your favorite type of meat to eat?
In fact, me for instance, I don't like meat.
Okay.
Yes. By my children, when you do fufu and it's not chicken, they will not eat.
They've been eating chicken since they were babies, and they still love chicken.
Yes, but as for me, I mostly like fish.
Okay.
And my favorite fish is emani.
Really?
Yes.
Napukun?
No.
And I salmon.
That it will be
chewing in your mouth.
And by the way, I just discovered that my sister here on YouTube, Koriwa, she has written a book titled Benefits of a Poultry Farming Business. So if you want to learn more about poultry farm, please be sure to check out her channel. I'm not sure if it's quite out yet, but check out her channel and get in touch with her, and she'll be able to share more about poultry farm business with you. I'm actually going to reach out to her because I learned about her poultry farm after shooting this video, and she is very knowledgeable about this business. I'm actually going to reach out to her because I'm interested in starting my own poultry farm business in the western region of Ghana. Since I have lands there, I want to get into that, and hopefully I can bring my auntie on board to start and then go from there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video, this interview with my auntie, how she supported her children through university. One of them is about to graduate with a doctorate degree. She's about to be a doctor, all from this business. She supported her kids through this business. Yes, she has 3 children. 2 have already graduated from University of Legon and one is a registered nurse. The other is majored in business, and the last one is about to be a doctor. She's going to graduate with her doctorate degree in medicine through this business. She did it.
Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. I will see you again on the next video, or is it in the next video? All right, thank you. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.